Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Thinkback on Thinkorswim. Open Thinkorswim and click Trade, then choose Thinkback to load historical option chains. Pick a past date, enter the underlying symbol, and review price and option behavior. Use the slider to move through intraday ticks and watch implied volatility changes. Save snapshots or export data for later study. Practice with small positions. Daily practice helps. Thinkback recreates past market sessions so you can test entries, exits, and strategies against real price action. Select dates and time ranges, view option Greeks, and replay trades at different speeds. Compare alternative strikes and expirations to see how premiums reacted. Note volume and open interest to assess liquidity before trading similar setups live. Use paper trading to validate ideas, and log your observations to refine edge and risk management. Create keyboard shortcuts and workspace layouts so you can jump quickly between Thinkback and live trading comparisons. Save custom columns like Roman 4, Delta, bid-ask spreads, and time and sales for efficient analysis. Use the speed controls to accelerate replays and mark critical timestamps with notes. Practice scenario-based trades and track outcomes to spot recurring edges. Keep position sizing rules visible while reviewing to reinforce disciplined entries and journaling.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.